Good morning, dear students. Today we'll be starting with chapter 2, that's linear equation one variable. We have already done chapter 1, that's rational numbers. Today we'll be going to start with the next chapter, that is very important chapter 2, linear equations one variable. Though you have already done this chapter in class 7th also with the name simple equations. But why simple equation? Because the simple equations given you in that chapter were very simple to solve. You were given one variable to one side, another variable to one side, and very easily you could handle those equations. But now the level of equations will be going one step up in this chapter. That is why the chapter also given linear equations in one variable. First of all, let us understand the heading first. What do you mean by linear equation one variable? If we clearly see, what do you mean by linear? I told you linear means straight line. Linear means straight line, you know it very well. Means 180 degree. Means variable raised to power 1. Variable raised to power 1. Understand the concept why straight line. If you plot this equation on a graph, you will be getting a straight line. That is why they are known as linear. Linear means straight line 180 degree. Straight line always makes 180 degree. That is why linear equations. Clear? Linear means straight line 180 degree or variable raised to power 1. It means whatever the variables are there in linear equation, the power must be 1. If you see any other power, that's not a linear equation. Next, equation. I hope you know the meaning of algebraic expression. What do you mean by algebraic expression? Algebraic expression, when we talk about combination of variables, constants, and arithmetic operations. That is what known as, this combination is known as algebraic expression. And if we put one algebraic expression equal to a constant, another algebraic expression equal to a variable, one algebraic expression equal to another algebraic expression, we get equations. We get equations. Why? Because equation means when an algebraic expression is put equal to either a constant, it can be 0, it can be 1, it can be -1, anything, a variable or another algebraic expression, then we get equations. So in equations, equal to sign is must, and one algebraic expression is put equal to a constant, variable or algebraic expression. These are the varieties that we see during equations. Next important thing, in one variable. Variable means non-fixed values. Very well, everyone knows about this. Non-fixed values. For example, A, B, C, D. Because A can be 1, A can be -1, A can be 100, A can be 1 lakh. But 1 is 1. Constants are constant. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 4. We can't change them. So, understanding one variable means when we talk about a equation, when we take any equation, what is important that the whole equation must have the same variable. For example, 2x plus 5. It's an algebraic expression. Why? Because combination of constant, variable and arithmetic operation plus minus. If I put this algebraic expression equal to 3x, what I did, algebraic expression equal to another algebraic expression or a variable. That's the thing. So what is happening here? X, it is x throughout the given equation. Therefore, it is linear equation in one variable. Why linear? We can clearly see the variable power is 1, variable power is 1. That is why linear. Since throughout the equation we are having x only, that is why it's linear equation. And why equation? Because equal to sign. Hence proof it's a linear equation one variable. Another example, 2y is equal to 3. It's a linear equation in one variable. We can have 5y plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 4. It's a linear equation in one variable. Why? Because you can clearly see variable power 1, variable power 1. Throughout the equation we are having y as a variable. That is why it's a linear equation in one variable. Are we clear? Are we clear with the concepts of linear equation in one variable? Now, let's see an example. Let me write another example. 2y square plus 3 is equal to 5. Now you have to tell me whether it is a linear equation or not. No, you can clearly see that here the power is 2. Here the power is 2. I told you for linear equation power of the variable must be 1, but here power is 2. Therefore this is known as quadratic equation. It's an example of quadratic equation because power 2, I told you in algebraic expression we did the types of algebraic expression based on power: linear, quadratic, cubic, biquadratic, and then raised to power. Similarly, it's a quadratic. Now, 2 under root y plus 3 is equal to 5. What do you think? I told you whenever under root is there, under root means power half. So here, if I have to write, I'll be writing it as like this. Again, what is the power? Power is non-linear for me because not power is not 1, so it's a non-linear equation again. Are we clear? The examples. Now, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. What do you think? It is a linear equation one variable. It is a linear equation. Of course, it's a linear equation. Why? Because x power 1, y power 1. But it's not a linear equation one variable because we are having two variables here, x and y. So it's a linear equation in two variables. Are we clear? That we are going to study in class 9. Clear with this? Another important concept that we have to be thorough with, that's the solution of an equation. Very important topic. Solution of an equation. Solution of an equation. You must know it. It is also known as root. Another name is root of an equation. And in book you will be finding find the value of x. Solve the given equation. Solve the given equation means you have to find the solution. What do you mean by solution? That value of a variable that satisfy the given equation. That satisfy the given equation. Here satisfy means, very important, here satisfy means which makes LHS equal to RHS. That is what satisfying here means. Now understand that value of a variable that satisfies the given equation. For example, 2x plus 3 is equal to, let me make it 5. Now, what value of x should I put so that LHS is equal to RHS? Clearly, if I put x is equal to 1, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. So, x is equal to 1. Five is equal to 5. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to 1 is the solution of given equation. Solution of given equation. I think you have already done this in class 7, but we are recapping it. So do remember, solution of an equation, that value of a variable that satisfies the given equation. Clear with this? So let us start with exercise. Let us start exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Solve the following equations. Solve the following equations. Very easy. Solve the very easy equations. And open your NCERT books on page number 23. First question. Solve the following equations. First part. First question. X minus 2 is equal to 7. Let us understand one more method that you have already done. Transposition method. Transposition method. In class 7th, you have done substitution method when you used to substitute the value. Hit and error method. You used to put the hit and trial, you used to put the value, and then you keep on trying with the different values, and then once you get the satisfaction, that's a value. One more method that you have done is transposition method, which is very simple. What we do in transposition method means transfer of position. Transfer plus position. This is what transposition method. When we transfer the position of the term, I told you, this is one term, this is one term, this is another term. So when we transfer the term from one LHS to RHS or from RHS to LHS, then the sign of the terms changes. So therefore, your plus will become minus, your minus will become plus, multiplication will become divide, and division will become multiplication. This is what happens in transposition method. So if any term is having plus sign, if we bring that term from LHS to RHS, that term will be taking negative sign. And if the term is having negative sign, it will take positive sign. Are we clear about this? Just for your review, I'll take the background so that you can understand this very well. Are we clear? Any doubt anyone is having? So let us start now immediately. Let us see the question. So x minus 2 is equal to 7. So here minus, see what we have to do. I'll tell you the simple thing. Keep the variable to one side. Better keep the variable to LHS side and take all the other contents, means constants, other terms, to the right hand side. So I have variable is already on LHS, so my thing is done. I have to take this term there, here minus, there plus, therefore 7 plus 2 is 9, therefore x is equal to 9 is the answer. Very simple to do. No need to write plus 2 on that too. We are not supposed to write that. You are adults now, you are mature now, you are in class 8, you know how to solve it. Better use this method. Clear? Question number 2. Second part, can we try? So your second, third part is the homework. Let me do fourth part. 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. There are two methods of doing this question. One, by taking the LCM throughout the term, or by switching this term to that side. I'll be doing both methods, see the variation of that. If I have to, because they are unlike terms, so definitely we have to take the LCM. So LCM of 7 and 7 is 7 only. So 7 will be taking LCM. So 3 plus 7 divided by 1, 7. 7 into x, 7x. 7 divided by 1, 1. 1 into 17 is 17. Discard the LCM. Why we take the LCM? We take the LCM to make like terms. Once we make all the term like, we discard the LCM. Therefore, the equation we are left with 3 plus 7x is equal to 17. Very easy. 7x. Take that term to that side. Here plus that minus 17x is equal to 14. X is equal to, here multiply that, divide 14 by 7. X is equal to 2. Answer. This is one method. Another method, if you want to do, another method to solve this, if you want to, 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Directly switch that term to that side. 17 by 7, 3 by 7, x is equal to. Now you have to take the LCM simply. So 17 minus 3, x is equal to 14 by 7, x is equal to cut 2. Same. Both way you are getting same. But sometimes what confusion children may get, they keep this 7 as it is, or sometimes they remove it, sometimes they bring it. So better, whichever the method you find easy, you can solve with that method. Clear? So you can do this question. Question number 5, 6x is equal to 12. Very easy. Here multiply, there divide. Simple. We can solve it. Question number 6. T by 5 is equal to 10. Here divide, there multiply. Simple. Question number 7. 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Simply 2x. Here divide, there multiply. 18 into 3. 2x is equal to 54. Here multiply, there divide. 54 by 2. Now you might be thinking, sir, what will happen if we multiply first? No problem. If you want to multiply first, because if you want to consider multiplication first, then it's better. Here multiply, there divide. Here divide, there multiply. We are getting same answer both way. So that's not a problem. That you have to do division only, but better. First of all, denominator disturbs us a lot. Better to remove this denominator. How? By multiplying. By bringing that, by taking this division that side into multiplication. Clear? Can we try 8th part? 9th part, easy. Homework you can try. That's an easy question. 10th part also. 11th also, just see the 12th one. X by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. So again, we'll take the LCM to make the like terms better. LCM of 3 and 15 is 15. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 into x. 15, 7. Discard the LCM. 5x plus 15 is equal to 7. We are left with 5x. 7 minus 15, 5x. 7 minus 15 is 8. Since minus 15 is greater, so minus sign will come. Here multiply, there divide. What is the answer? 8. So sir, divide will become minus 8 by 5. Are we clear with the question? Any doubt anyone is having with the question? Clear? Next, let us start with the applications now. Applications based on this. See, if you would have observed, in the given equation, it was a type when one algebraic expression is equal to a constant. Clearly, if you observe all the 12 parts, you would see after equal to sign, always there is a constant. So basically this term was, I told you, when one algebraic expression is put equal to constant. This is that type of equation. So we'll be doing word problems based on this. We'll be doing word problems based on this. Exercise 2.2, first question. If you subtract half from a number, multiply the result by half, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? Understand, if you subtract half from a number and multiply it half, you will be getting 1 by 8. So, first question, let the number be x. Let the number be x. We will assume because we don't know the number. Now, according to the question, ATQ means according to the question. According to the question. ATQ means according to the question. Subtract half from means x is there. So subtract half from x, from the number. Multiply with half. Multiply the result with half. You'll be getting 1 by 8. Simple. This is what the question is. So if you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by, this is what the result is, no? If you subtract half from the number, this is what the result, we have to multiply result with half. You'll be getting 1 by 8. Simple. Multiply, distributive property. Take the LCM, better. 2, 4, 8 LCM. LCM of 2, 4, 8 is 8 because 8 is divisible by every number here, no? 8 divided by 2, 4x. 8 divided by 4, it's 2. 8 divided by 8 is 1. Discard the LCM. So we are getting 4x minus 2 is equal to 1. 4x, here minus 2, there plus 2, 4x is equal to 3, here multiply, there divide. Clearly. Now just see, let us prove, let us check. Let's check also if we can. If the number is subtract half from this number, let us subtract half from this number. We'll be getting 1 by 4. Multiply the result with 1 by 2. Are we getting 1 by 8? Yes. Hence, verified. It means our answer is correct. If you clearly see 1 by 8. From a number subtract half. We did it. Multiply the result. What is the result? 1 by 4. Multiply the result with half. We get 1 by 8. It's true. Clear? Next. Question number 2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154. Perimeter means move along the boundary. If we move along the boundary, that's what is perimeter. Perimeter, okay. Its length is 2 more than twice its breadth. Its length is 2 more than twice its breadth. So definitely when we are talking about a rectangle is having length and breadth. Now understand the question, what is depending on what? Here length is depending on breadth, because length is 2 more than twice the breadth. It means whatever the breadth is there, you have to double it and then you have to add 2, you will be getting length. Again, length is 2 more than twice the breadth, means whatever the breadth is there, it's twice, and then after that we will be adding 2, you will be getting length. Are we clear? So let us see now. For example, this is a swimming pool. For example, this is a swimming pool. Clear? So whose perimeter is 154. Perimeter is 154 meter. Now we have to consider its length. So let the breadth be x, because length is dependent on breadth. So we'll be taking, let the breadth be x meter. Therefore, the length is equal to twice the breadth, means 2x, more than 2. So 2x plus 2. So 2x plus 2 is the length and x is the breadth. So this is also x and this is also 2x plus 2, and the perimeter is 154 meter. Now according to the question, perimeter is given, it means we have to apply the formula of perimeter. What is the area of perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter of a rectangle, it is given as 154. The formula is twice L plus B, 154. Put the value of length. Length is 2x plus 2. Breadth is x. Solve the bracket first. 2x, x. Like terms are always added. Therefore, 2x plus x is 3x. 3x plus 2. Outside there is 2 is equal to 154. Better distributive property. 2 into 3x, it is 6x. 2 into 2, 4, it's equal to 154. Clear? Solve it. 6x plus 154. 6x is equal to 154 minus 4. 6x is equal to 150. Here multiply, there divide. 150 by 6. 50 by 3. I think something wrong we have done. 2 more than twice its breadth. Something wrong we have done here? I don't think so, because length cannot be 50 by 3. Are we getting 50 by 3 length? Just check once, everyone. Sorry, it will be 2. My bad, it will be 25. Okay, so breadth is equal to 25. So what will be length? Length will be 2 into 25 plus 2. It means 50 plus 2. That's 52. Therefore, length is 52 and breadth is 25. 25 plus 25, that's 50. 52, 52, that's 104. 104 and 50, 154. Hence, verified also. Are we clear? Any doubt anyone is having with this question? Next, question number 3. The base of an isosceles triangle. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? Yes, as angle whose two sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. So isosceles triangle we'll be talking about. Yeah, we'll be talking about an isosceles triangle. Question number 3. Question number 3. Isosceles triangle. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 midterm. So base, if I talk about A, B, C, the base is 4 by 3 midterm. Clear? The perimeter of a triangle is 4, 2 by 5. 4, 2 by 15. It means we have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So how we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? Multiply this. So 4 into 15 plus 2 divided by 15. This is what we do. And add this. So we'll be getting 62 by 15. So the perimeter is 62 by 15. Definitely he's asking, what is the length of the either of the remaining equal side? If this is big, definitely isosceles triangle, then this would be x equal side. Let the length of remaining equal side be x. Now, according to the question, perimeter of a triangle means move along the boundary. Once we move along the boundary, what we do? Perimeter of an isosceles triangle ABC is equal to, it is 62 by 15, which is equal to AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 62 by 15. What is AB is equal to? X. What is BC is equal to? 4 by 3. What is AC is equal to? X. 62 by 15. Now the LCM part we have to do. LCM of 15 and 3 is 15. 15x plus 20. 15x is equal to 50x is equal to, discard the LCM. 15x like terms, it will be 30x plus 20 is equal to 62. I think we are getting correct. I don't know. I will should be the answer properly. If we talk about, I think we'll be getting answer also in mixed fraction only. 30x 62 minus 20. 30x is equal to 42. X is equal to 42 by 30. If I solve, I'll be getting 1 by 14, 10, 7 by 5. It means equal side is 7 by 5, 7 by 5. Now if you solve, 7 by 5 plus 7 by 5 plus 4 by 3, you'll be getting 15 as the LCM again. So it will be 21 plus 21 plus 20. What you'll be getting? You'll be getting 41. 62 upon 15. You are getting 62 upon 15. Hence verified. Are we clear? Any doubt anyone is having with this question? Next, question number 4. Question number 4. The sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. Very easy question. We have two numbers whose sum is 95. For example, we have two numbers. One is x, another is y. Their sum is 95. Clear? If one exceeds the other by 15, what do you mean by exceed? Exceed here means more. Exceed here means more. If one number is x, other has to be x plus 15. This is what the statement is. One exceeds the other by 15. It means if one number is x, other has to be x plus 15 because another number is exceeding the number by 15. So therefore, let the number be x. Therefore, other number is equal to x plus 15. Now, according to the question, the sum of two numbers is equal to 95. Therefore, x plus 15 is equal to 95. 2x plus 15 is equal to 95. 2x is equal to 95 minus 15. 2x is equal to 80. X is equal to 80 by 2. X is equal to 40. So one number is 40. Another number is 40 plus 15. That's 55. If you'll add them, you'll be getting 95. So that's why the sum of two numbers is 95. So we have completed till question number 4 today. In the next coming videos, we'll be doing next further question. Till then, take care and have a wonderful day.